Imagine, it's 2 in the morning. The city is asleep. You are asleep. But inside you, nothing has stopped. Billions of cells are working in silence. And at the center of all that invisible work, a small molecule no one can see is running the whole operation. Its name, NAD+. What makes one person wake up at 60 with a clear mind and a light body, while another at 30 feels like every day takes something from them they can't get back? The answer starts every single night. In those hours you think you're doing nothing at all. NAD+ is the fuel inside every cell in your body. Without it, your cellular power stations go dark. Genes don't get repaired. You can't remember. You can't recover. Your body doesn't stockpile it. It produces it, burns through it, and produces it again. Every day, every night. And sleep is the most important shift in that entire cycle. Your day is a war. Stress, decisions, screens, emotions, all of it burns through NAD+ and leaves a mark on every cell. Your night is the peace. Enzymes repair your DNA. Memories move from temporary to permanent. Hormones return to balance. But all of it runs on one fuel, NAD+. Sleep is 4 stages that repeat like waves through the night. But the stage that makes the real difference is deep sleep. This is where NAD+ levels rise. DNA repair reaches its peak, and your brain literally cleans itself of the toxic proteins that built up during the day. Every complete cycle is a gift you give your body. Every incomplete one is a debt you carry into morning. Inside you is a clock that never stops. It's called your biological clock, and it's what regulates your NAD+ production while you sleep. The blue light from your screen before bed tells your brain the sun is still up. So melatonin production stops. So deep sleep is delayed. So NAD+ drops. Night after night. And you feel the result in the heaviness of your mornings and in that quiet fog sitting just behind your eyes. 5 simple adjustments can reset all of this. Complete darkness. No screens for an hour before bed. A cool room between 18 and 20 degrees Celsius. A fixed schedule. Same bedtime, same wake time, every single day without exception. No food 3 hours before sleep. Your body can either digest or repair. It doesn't have the energy for both. And 1 breath before you sleep. 4, 7, 8. Inhale for 4, hold for 7, exhale for 8. It lowers cortisol and tells your body one thing. The battle is over. Begin the recovery. But after around age 35, your body's ability to produce NAD+ begins to decline. Every decade, it drops by as much as 25%. This isn't failure. This is biology. But biology isn't the final word. Recent research shows that supporting NAD+ levels restores balance in the body within weeks, with noticeable improvement in energy, focus, and the quality of sleep itself. Every morning you open your eyes is proof that your body did not give up. But the quality of that morning starts tonight. Put the screen down early. Cool the room a little. Take a breath. 4, 7, 8. And let your body do what it was made to do. Sleep is not a pause from life. It is life itself in its deepest form. Holio Care. We bring you science.